Okay, so I had to change my plan from before, but I actually bought a greenhouse instead of using the hoop house that I purchased. Just turned out to be a lot more than what I wanted to do. I might use that for something else anyway. This is going to be a driveway in here. It goes up to a garage up there, which I will build that. They will be bringing a workshop, which I need temporarily. And it's going to go like right in here, a long ways. So you walk in the door, and then over here I'm going to put a gas tank. And over here on this side, the garage will be here where I'm at, and then it's going to be a little walkway. It goes right into, basically the door will be where that post is. And I think it's 12 by 20, 22, something like that. Decent size though, good enough for what I'm doing. And do all the landscaping later. It's the right time of year right now, but I'm gonna do it when it comes to it. I just been kind of tired lately, you know. Anyhow, let's walk over here, show you what I've been doing in the meanwhile. Turn this area that we had for a temporary garden, I turned it into a little basically fire pit. It's our little walkway. I gotta get one more chair, but it's cozy. It's getting there. I mean, look at the view all day long, you know. You can't really look at the sky. Beautiful. Anyhow, at the tail end of this video, I will have them delivering the two buildings. Meanwhile, I may do some more rock work over there and stuff. Just depends how I'm feeling, how the weather is, and while we're on it, it's not my favorite thing to talk about, but it's just me now at Texas Retreat. Things didn't work out. You know, life isn't always what you want it, but we wish her the best. And I'm sure she'll have her own channel or something, but anyhow, look forward to the buildings coming. And I can finally start, you know, doing some greenhouse stuff. Got a septic there that we're going to have to put in. That'll be another video. But, yeah, progress is coming. Sorry I haven't had any videos lately. Stay tuned. gentleman doing the operations is Abe. He's from Seminole. Been doing this for 2 years. Looks like a fun job. Yeah, I want to thank you for watching. If you can like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're just watching, yeah, if you could hit the like button, it really does help. And we're trying to grow this channel, and I'm going to start doing a lot more content. So please stay tuned and enjoy these little birds behind my house. They're out there every day eating up all the food. Take care.